In a sun-drenched meadow, 3 bullocks, black, brown, and white, graze peacefully, their unity evident in their synchronized movements. Bathed in golden sunlight, the lush green field stretches out, a tranquil haven where the bullocks share the grass and shade. From the forest's edge, a powerful lion watches with hungry eyes, its gaze fixed intently on the unsuspecting trio. A lone, black bullock grazes listlessly in the meadow, the absence of its companions painting a picture of desolation. A lion approaches, its gait slow and deliberate, a predator drawn to vulnerability. The lion whispers insidious lies, shaking the black bullock's trust, its confusion deepening the isolation. In the meadow, the black bullock stands alone, stark terror in its eyes as it senses the approaching danger. From the forest, the lion emerges, its predatory gaze locked onto the bullock, each step a promise of inevitable doom. The lion's shadow engulfs the bullock, a final, tragic symbol of their shattered bond and impending fate.